Guys, welcome back to Speed Meals Culinary Channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how we make samosa. So first thing we are going to do first is add our meat to a frying pan.
The onions, the green pepper, your pepper. For a kilogram of minced meat, please, that's Maggi, like I said, those 2 cubes, you are going to add 4 of it. 1, 2, 3.
So after we add our green pepper, our fresh pepper, our Maggi seasoning and our onion, we're going to stir properly for some time.
This is what you start getting if you don't stir it properly from the beginning.
So we're just going to continue stirring and stirring our beefs to avoid beef clotting.
Eat with too much water and it's watery, it's useless. If you don't mix with the current proportion of water, it is useless. So you have to mix it and have a paste-like texture, like a toothpaste. A toothpaste texture. You don't need it to rise one bit. The best flour for this is confectionery. Another one, mix and bake.
So it's time to make our samosa wraps.